Euro against US dollar. This week started the week with a bearish candle. The week has started with this bearish candle going below 1.05829 as support level, and we can see that the price has stopped in between this resistance and this support. Then from here the price returned back up just to confirm the previous support, now acting as a resistance, but then after 2 days the price could not go even further lower to continue to reach this area of support, but the price has formed this bullish breakout on a Thursday. We can see that, and it has reached the next resistance level at 1.06. From here the price started to move again to the higher price level, making bullish breakout, but it was not successful. The price returned back to the first support, and it has closed just in between this resistance and the support. It is in between. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame, it is in decision candle because the open price is very close to the close price, and we can see the wick on the upper side and on the lower side. On the monthly time frame, the month has just started, so we will not make any conclusions, but this is currently the very important support level for the price, even on monthly time frame, where the price will try to make its break somewhere in any of the directions. So I will go to the lower time frames to see much more clearly what are the levels that are very important ones. Now if we take a look here, we can see that the very important levels are around here, where the price currently has reached with the high price levels, because the price is very close to this area of currently acting as a resistance, and this one area here which is also acting as a resistance. So these two levels are very important, and we can see on the weekly time frame the price could not go easily to close the week above that. So 1.063 and also 1.059 around 1.06 is very important one. So for the weekly time frame, if we take a look here, we have a bullish breakout in the previous week, and this week has confirmed this bullish breakout where the price did not return back down. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that the price has returned above 1.05289, and the 1.06 is a very important resistance level, and we can see for 3 times the price could not make a bullish breakout with the daily candle, which means a selling pressure here, which is a supply zone, is very important and strong one. So what we can expect? For now, I'm waiting to see how the price will behave on the Monday around this area of resistance and below on this area of support. So if there is any breakout during the week, and especially on the lower time frame, for example 4-hour time frame, which I am also watching how the price behaves, we can see that here. I will share that inside the premium analysis with traders, where they get also information when there is a breakout and where the price is heading. So if you would like also to receive this information, feel free to check the link below and join the premium analysis. Now we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, this is a very important resistance level, and this is the support level the price needs to break. When the price makes a breakout, this will be indication of the further direction of the price. So let's see how the Monday closes, which will give us more information. For now, that's all. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.